Listen and repeat. A. Character. Connect. Consider. Entertainment. God. Introduce. Offer. Organize. Possible. B. Character. 1. A strong or weak character. The national character. He is a man of good character. 2. The central character. A likable character. The film has a number of likable characters. The central character of the book is an old policeman. Connect. To connect something to, with, something. To connect the two banks of the river. To connect the printer to the computer. The new road is going to connect the two cities. Consider. To consider some facts, to consider doing something. It was an interesting idea and we decided to consider it. They'll have to consider the new facts. I consider him a good friend. Entertainment. Real entertainment. The usual entertainment. The world of entertainment. All people enjoy entertainment. Cinema is the entertainment of the 20th century. God. Ancient gods. A Greek god. In ancient Greece, people believed in a lot of gods. Mars was the Roman god of war. Money is his god. God, no plural. A lot of people think that God is the being that made the world. Do they believe in God? Introduce. To introduce somebody to someone. My parents introduced me to their visitors. I introduced myself to my new classmates. To introduce actors to a play. Offer. To offer entertainment. To offer a cup of tea. To offer help. They haven't offered Jack the job yet. We'll be happy to offer you all the help we can. Organize. To organize a party. To organize a demonstration. Let's organize a coffee break after 12 o'clock. Who's organizing the meeting? Possible. A possible visit. Possible results. As soon as possible. If, when it is possible. Everything is possible. I'll try to return as soon as possible. Is it possible that we meet again?